Mrs. A here. I am a licensed professional teacher in the Philippines, major in mathematics, and I also passed the exam for teacher certification here in the US. I'm here to help you to pass your exam too. This part focuses on mathematics for general education. If you want to learn more about the specific topic, check my playlist for more videos. Let's get started. The coverage of this video is about volume, weight, and capacity, which is also about measurements. So what is a volume? A volume is the amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional matter or object. So when we say three-dimensional, it has length, it has width, and height. Okay? Now, the volume of an object is measured in cubic units like cubic centimeter, cubic meter, or cubic millimeter. What about capacity? Capacity is the maximum amount that something can hold. It also means volume. Actually, these two can interchange. Capacity is the amount of liquid a container can hold. The unit of measurement can be liter or milliliter. And in English system, can be ounces or quarts. Okay, next, weight. Weight is the measure of how heavy is the object. So of course, we are familiar with that, weighing scale to get the measurement or the weight. Okay, next. So here, give yourself a minute or two to answer the questions. And then after that, you can pause the video. And after that, unpause if you are ready to reveal the answer and the solution. So question number 1, what is the volume of the cube if its height is 8 centimeters? So it is very important to know about cube. What do we know about cube? So the answer here is letter B. Now, we know that cube, the height, the width, and the length are all equal. It means that to find the volume is simply we're just going to multiply. To find the volume of any object, simply we're just going to multiply the length, the width, and the height. Since here in the given figure, which is a cube, the length and the width and the height are all the same, it means we just simply say that it is s times s times s, or the side, or s cubed. So what is now the given here? 8 centimeters. So therefore, it is 8 times 8 times 8. And that is equal to 8 times 8, 64, and that times 8, that is 512. And then the unit should be cubic units of centimeters. So it means cubic centimeters. So that is letter B. Now look at number 2. The volume of a cube is 125 cubic meter. What is the width of the cube? Okay, given now is the volume. We need to find the length of the side because we know that the width, the height, and the length are all the same measurement. It means side times side times side. So instead of writing V here, we're going to substitute the value of the volume, which is 125 cubic meter. So write that one there. That is equal to 125 is equal to s cubed. The answer here is letter B. So 125 cubic meter is equal to s cubed. What does it mean now by s cubed? We're going to get the cube root of both sides here. So cube root here, the index is 3, it's not square root, cube root. What does it mean? Finding the cube root means that you are going to find for that number that if you're going to multiply to itself 3 times, the answer is 125. Okay? Now, if you're going to multiply 3 times, 3 times 3, 9, 9 times 3, 27. So it's not 3. Okay, if you're going to multiply 4, that is 4 times 4, 16. And 16 times 4, that is 64. So it's not. What about 5? 5 times 5, 25. Times 5, 125. So the answer here is 5. That's the length of the side or the width of the cube. So the answer is letter B. Next, the capacity of a water bottle is 12.5 liters. If the bottle already contains 3.5 liters, how much more water in milliliters is needed to fill up the bottle? Okay, now, here, look at this one. We are asked in milliliters and the given is in liters. So we need our knowledge in conversion. But first, we need to subtract this 2 because the container already has 3.5 and the capacity is 12.5. So how much more do we need to fill it up? So that is now, the answer is letter D. So let us review first our conversion knowledge, liters to milliliters. Okay, so ml is there. So from liters, 1, 2, 3. It means we're just going to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. First, we need to subtract 12.5 minus 3.5, and that is equal to 9. So 9 liters. That's how much water do we need. Now, what we're going to do is simply convert 9 liters to milliliters, and that is 9,000. It means moving 3 places to the right is simply adding 3 zeros. And that is letter D. Next, find the difference between the volumes of the two containers shown below. So I have here two prisms. Here is what we call rectangular prism, and this is a cube. It is also a prism. And in cube, we know that the length, the width, and the height are all equal. And here we have the length, which is 15 millimeter or millimeters. The width is 3 millimeters. And the height is 4 millimeters. So in order to get the difference, we need to get the volume of each one first. So what are we going to do is to find the volume of rectangular prism or any prism is simply length times width times height. So the answer is letter D. Let's see. So length times width times height, so we have 15 times 3 times 4, and that is equal to 180 millimeters. Okay? Cubic millimeters, sorry. So because we have here m, millimeters times millimeters. And for the cube, we have 6 times 6 times 6, and that is 216 cubic millimeters. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is simply subtract 216 minus 180. And the difference is 36 cubic millimeters. And that is letter D. Next, the aquarium has a length that is twice its width. Given the measurements of its height and width, what is the volume of the aquarium? Okay, so here we have the height, which is 5, and the width is 3. In finding the volume, we need the length, the width, and the height. So what is given here is that the length is twice its width. It means that the length now is equal to 6 meters. Okay, the width is 3, so twice that. So now we can get now the volume, which is 6 meter or 6 meters times 3 meters times 5 meters, and that is equal to 90 cubic meters. Okay, and that is letter B. Okay, next. A sack of rice that is 50 kilograms is divided into 10 bags. What is the weight of each bag in grams? Okay, so now, again, given is in kilograms, we are asked the weight of each bag in grams. So again, let us use our conversion knowledge. So we have here kilograms, and this is gram. So 1, 2, 3. But first, we need to divide. The 50 kilograms divided by 10, so that is 5 in each 5 kilograms in each bag. Now, how much is that 5 kilogram in grams? So 5 kilograms changed to gram is simply 5,000. Because kilogram, 1, 2, 3. You're going to move the decimal point 3 places to the right. Understood, we are just adding 3 zeros. So the answer there is 5,000 kilograms, and that is letter A. Next, John weighs 65 kilograms. What is his weight in pounds? So now we need to apply our knowledge about converting kilograms to pounds. And we know that 1 kilogram is equal to 2.2 pounds. Approximate. Actually 2.205. Okay, let's say 2.2 pounds. Now, 65 kilograms times. Now, make sure if you're going to convert, you want to eliminate the kilogram unit. It means make sure that the kilogram unit is in the denominator. So the 1 kilogram should be in the denominator and the pound should be in the numerator. So you can cancel this kilogram. So whatever the unit left there now is the unit that you are going to find, and that is in pounds. So multiply 65 times 2.2, and that is equal to 143 pounds. So the answer is letter C. That's all for this video, and thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next one. Bye!